Help me video, Noah. Help me video one.
Attention children, we have a couple of lawbreakers in the house tonight. There's a sign outside that says no ties after 5. It looks like these two didn't see it. Alright, now they have one or two choices. We can either take it off or we can cut it off. What should we do?
Okay. What do you think, Pop?
Well, huh?
I'm gonna need about $25 for that tie.